Now I know all the cool YouTubers are always having some kind of unboxed knife. I could have got a knife from the kitchen, but I'm lazy. What I have is a key. There we go, look at this. Just like a knife, much more easy and convenient. I think that's the mailbox key. There's just one piece of tape holding us back. Let's flip this guy around. You guys know how these new boxes work. When you pop them open, usually something slides up, and that is the same. Wow, okay. This is a legit first reaction. I am blown away at how sexy this is. This is so clean. These dots are crazy. It is not showing up on camera. I'm a huge fan again of Asus and ROG. I feel like I'm ROG for life. Republic of Gamers, I love the branding. I love the presentation. This is nice. Wow, I'm just gonna pull it out. This weighs a little over 3.5 pounds and it feels dense. I mean, this feels heavy. This is a brick. This is not a toy. I am loving it. Let's set it to the side because that's what we do with these videos, okay? What do I have in here? I got the power brick. It's a chunky brick. This is technically a gaming laptop. I don't think it's a gaming laptop personally. I think it's more of a creator's laptop because the size is going to limit its ability to do certain things. It's going to limit its ability to make as much power as you'd like. And it only has a RTX 2060 Max Q, which is a low-powered version of their highest level cards. I didn't buy this for gaming. I really am trying not to game anymore. I'm really interested in creating my own content, mostly writing. There's nothing back here. This is just to help it lift up. Over here we have the rest of the power cord. So we have this, wow, this is really, we have this silky smooth, beautiful little extended plug here. The power brick itself. The cable on this feels like silk. On this, it just feels like a piece of plastic. I'm gonna do unsexy peel. This is my first time peeling on camera, so I'm sorry. It's big, but not too big. I can take this with me. I'm thinking about getting a 65-watt USB Type-C charger because that is the max size, the max power you can use to charge this bad boy. I wish it could take up to 100 watts, which is the most power that USB-C can currently put out, but it can only do up to 65. In here we have the usual. Let's go through this. Most people just throw this away. Leave a review, get a reward. I will definitely do that. I love leaving reviews. You have your register your product. I'll definitely do that. Safety precautions, the G series gaming notebook PC, just a little quick guide. What's really cool, and you see it right here, is that the power button itself has a fingerprint sensor and it has a cache built into the actual button. You push the button, before the computer turns on, it stores your fingerprint so it can log you in. And then you have your Asus standard warranty information. See, Asus is a cool brand. They're Taiwanese and they make really great laptops. They make ZenBooks that are more ultra thin and light portable laptops. They make your ROGs, which are gaming laptops. So Asus's brand is in search of incredible. But then their sub-brand, which is Republic of Gamers, right? Republic of Gamers. All right, let's take a cut here and let's get back in a second.